What's up, everybody? Today we're going to continue the Glock 34 build, my Glock 34 Gen 3. As you see here, I got Trijicon bright and tough suppressor night sights. There's suppressor height sights. Yep, there's the sights. It's going to go on this, my Glock 34. You can see the slides banged up a little bit. For everyone that's new here, it's got a Polymer 80 brand slide, agency arms, gold threaded barrel, Hive mag release, Apex tactical trigger. It's got a complete ZEV upper parts kit. Every part internally in the slide is ZEV. Let's see. Nothing in the mag. The gun is clear for anyone concerned. Nothing in the chamber. And yep. So, alright guys, we cannot install anything on YouTube anymore. Apparently the policies and guidelines. So I'm going to install these sites and I will touch back with you guys here in a bit when they are installed. Alright guys, so I am back, and as you can see here, got the Trijicon suppressor height sights, night sights installed, and there it is. You know, again, it's got the agency arms threaded barrel, so you're gonna be needing these sights so I can see up over the suppressor I'm putting on here. Still nothing in the mag, nothing in the chamber, and that's it. So Glock 34 build continues. Next up on this gun is probably gonna be a mag well. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get a mag well. I'm thinking about the Trijicon tactical mag well, or maybe a ZEV, since this thing has complete ZEV upper parts kit in it. But we'll see. They're both around the same price, so it just depends on which one I think looks better. We'll figure it out. But I'm kind of leaning towards the Trijicon tactical, so we'll see. But alright guys, that's it. We'll update you guys on the next video when it comes out.